What's up guys, Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and this is going to be my top 10 favorite tweaks of July 2012 video. Now some of these tweaks are paid, some are free. Be sure to check down in the description for the corresponding tweak. Now also 9 out of these 10 tweaks are featured within stock repositories in Cydia, which would be the big boss or ModMyEye. There is one that is you will need to add a source. I will have the name of that source down in the description as well. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. Coming in at number 10 is called Safari Omnibar. This will put the Chrome style Omnibar within Safari. As you can see, it's just one long bar. As you can put a URL in, or you can just simply search for something and it will go off of your default search engine, whatever you set up in the settings application for Safari. Just a very simple tweak. Again, it's free and it's called Safari Omnibar. Coming in at number 9 is called NC Info. This widget slash tweak is $1. Now there's a ton of configurable settings with this. I'm not going to go over all of it, so I'll just briefly explain what it can do. You can display RAM, disk space, time and date, also Wi-Fi IP address or data IP address, whatever you want to set up within this widget. You can change the size and color of the font. You can move the whatever it's displaying around in the widget. So if I wanted this all the way to the left, you can do that. And you can also set up widget settings, which would be one of them, for example, would be to tap the widget and it will free up your memory, so it frees up as much RAM as possible. It's just a very handy widget slash tweak. Again, it's called NC Info and it's $1. Coming in at number 8 is called iTypewriter. This tweak is 99 cents and it gives you two abilities. One would be typewriter sound effects for your keyboard, which is actually kind of growing on me. I was a bit skeptical of this at first, but I think it's really awesome. I've had a lot of people ask me, wow, how did you do that? So I'll just give you the sound effect example here real quick. So as you can see, it sounds, just like an old school typewriter, which is very cool. Now the other ability with this tweak is to get haptic feedback with your keyboard. Basically what that means is that each time you press a button, you'll get a small vibration, and it's a very cool tweak to have that. Even if you don't want the sound effect, just to get that haptic feedback with the vibration when you press a key is very cool. Again, it's called iTypewriter and it's 99 cents. Coming in at number 7 is a free application called NetMeter, and it will display your data usage over your 3G or Wi-Fi, and you can set up a whole bunch of different settings. First of day billing cycle when it starts, your usage limit across 3G, your usage limit across Wi-Fi. You can change the layout arrangement. You can reset your database. It's just a great application if you have a data plan and you don't want to go over your usage limits. Again, it's called NetMeter and it's a free application. Coming in at number 6 goes right along with number 7, which was the NetMeter application. This is the NetMeter widget for Notification Center. This is free as well, and it basically will display the information that's in NetMeter in your Notification Center as a widget. So as you can see, there is my 3G usage, my remainder, also my Wi-Fi usage, and a remainder on that as well. Again, this widget is completely configurable within the settings application, and again, it's called NetMeter widget and it's free. Coming in at number 5 is called Multi-Story. This is a free tweak. As you can see, it doubles up the size of your switcher, allowing 2 rows of multitasking applications, making it very easy to switch between applications if you're using up to 5 or more. I just like the look of this. Also, if you scroll to the left there, you can see that it combines your music controls and orientation lock with the volume slider, so it's all on one page right there. Just a very useful free tweak, and again, it's called Multi-Story. Coming in at number 4 is called Notes Enhancer. This tweak is 99 cents. It gives you a bunch of new options. As you can see, here's kind of like a 5th row to your keyboard right there. It allows you to have a tab button. As you can see, it tabbed over. You have a enter button, a copy button. You can change the color of the font. You can change the font size. So let's just check it out. So as you can see, the font is larger. gonna go ahead and, as you can see, you can make the font itty bitty. You can't even read it, so there's a huge array of different sizes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that out, and I'm gonna make the font substantially bigger again here so you can see the color change. And as you can see, you can change the color of the font, which is very cool. Just enhances your Notes application to be that much better. Again, it's called Notes Enhancer, and it's 99 cents. Coming in at number 3 is called Fold Music. This tweak is $1.50, and it's awesome. It allows you to add a folder on your springboard that contains a album or a playlist. So if I go ahead and open that up, there is a album that I have, Attack of the Killer B-Sides by A Day to Remember, and you can simply select the track and it will begin to play it. You also get music controls and a volume slider right there. Very cool tweak. Again, it's called Fold Music, and it's $1.50. Coming in at number 2 is called Monocle. Now this is the tweak you will have to add a repository in order to download. Again, I'll leave the name of that repo down in the description. Now, Monocle is free, and what it allows you to do is to run applications full screen via an activation method. So you will need Activator, which will download automatically when you download Monocle. And it will remove the navigation bar and also the status bar. And you can set it up to however you want. You could have it just remove the navigation bar, not the status bar, or just the status bar, not the navigation bar. So my activator method for this tweak is triple click home button. So as you can see, there you go. It is running the settings application in completely full screen mode, no status bar there. And I think this is a very cool tweak. Having that extra, real estate on your screen to run an application does make it look very, very nice. Again, this tweak is called Monocle, and it is free. And coming in at number 1 is a tweak called Nitrous. This tweak is $1, and it allows you to turn on the Nitro JavaScript onto any of your applications. This is something that's usually used for the Safari application. Now, I can't really prove that it makes the applications that much faster. The only way you can really see the difference is if you run benchmark tests, and that would be unplausible for me to do in this video, so just take my word for it. Nitrous does make your applications run a lot faster, especially over 3G. Now I'll just go ahead and I'll run this real quick here, and it does refresh substantially faster than if I did not have the Nitro JavaScript enabled. As you see in there, it only just took a second or two. And again, this tweak is called Nitrous. So that is my top 10 favorite tweaks of the month of July 2012. Be sure to check the description. I'll also leave other links to other top 10 videos down there, such as the top 10 tweaks of June 2012, the top 10 animated lock screen themes, top 10 tweaks for themers, all the good stuff. Be sure to check down there. Otherwise, let me know what you guys think about these tweaks down in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to click that subscribe button. This is Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I'll catch you guys later.